Hello and welcome to Precious Memory Box's Junk Journaling. And today I have an unboxing for you from Scrapbooking with Me. On Wednesday, August 12th, they're starting their virtual retreat. I believe the first class is from 2 to 4 p.m. Central Time on Wednesday. And so I wanted to show you my kit that I received from them for the journal. And so let's start first with the papers. I had already opened my box and gotten these items out. But I wanted to go ahead and share them with you. So you can see, you know, if you're on the, not sure whether you want to do the retreat or not, you know, wanted to see what maybe you get in the kits. I thought I'd give you that opportunity by doing an unboxing. So this paper right here is the tissue paper that it came wrapped in. You can certainly use this as part of your journal or another journal. And then we got some different types of pockets and envelopes and that. So this is a library card, pocket and card. There's a little vellum envelope here. Little glycine or vellum, whatever you want to call it. There's a piece of material here that's kind of like a canvas. So you might be able to stamp on this. You can make ruffles out of it. Might be able to make a closure. Then we have some different colored envelopes in the kit. Usually everyone receives pretty much the same, but sometimes there's a variation. So you may get, you know, a different color or something, but it generally coordinates with the papers that come with the kit. So got several envelopes here. Then you get chipboard for the construction of your journal that's already pre-cut for you. So that's wonderful. So that'll make it easier. Then here we have this paper. And this is like, what would you call this? It's like the paper you usually get as packing paper, like a craft wrapping paper type of paper. So big, nice sheet of that. Then we have some handmade paper here with deckled edges. Because it's, you know, it's handmade, it's not going to come out perfectly straight. But it's a really nice paper. We have some straw paper included. It's really nice, has a really smooth, nice texture. And let's see, we also have, down here at the bottom is another piece of mulberry paper with lots of different fibers and that in it. We have some music paper for use in our journals. And I love the patina of this one. It's a really nice vintage one. This one has pencil marks on it. You could erase them if you don't want them, but I think that just adds to the journal. Then we also have some other paper here. This has a kind of it's smooth but rough texture. So this is more of a paper. Then we have some book pages from a small book. Beautiful patina on those. Looks like we have a piece of heavy cardstock. We have some copy paper. Here is some green, like mulberry type paper. That's really pretty. This looks like a piece of scrapbook paper just cut down. And then we have a ledger sheet. So you get a large variety of extra papers to put in your journal. And I'm going a little bit slow here, but we'll get it done. I have been not able to do a video recently just because of work and traveling, and then I also hurt my arm. So I'm just kind of having all kinds of things going on. Okay, here's the rest of the kit. And I'll just pull them out one by one. So there's a beautiful stamp with different florals on it. Hopefully you can see that with the glare, but pretty flower stamp. And then we have included in this, which I'm excited about, a wax seal stamp and the little spoon to heat your wax seals in. We also get a box of wax seals. That is really cool. You can make a lot of wax seals with that. Lots of beautiful colors in there. I have a gold pin here. It's a Metallics Craftwork pin. So that's nice. There is a stamp in here. Mine is walnut brown. Let's see. We also have a tea light candle to heat your wax melts with. We have a little package of metal pieces. And oops, sorry about that. I tipped the table. So I was going to try to show these to you. See if I can move some of this. So there's little O-rings in there, so be careful. This is, let me lay these down. This is a small rose. And there's several little, what do you call those, O-rings? Here's the pin if you want to build, a charm on it, a dangle. We've got a lobster clip. We've got several little pieces. And then we have some larger type charms. So we've got a couple keys here. We have like a book corner. Those are pretty. And I think there's 3 of those. Here's some more keys. We have another small flower there. We have a blue flower here, a blue bow, and then we have a few small beads in here. We have a little bit of chain and some bolt pins. So you get a good variety of little things there that you can add to your journal, whether you want to make a dangle with it or you want to, just add it on strings or on clusters in your journal. All right. Let me get all these put away in here. One more if I can pick it up. There we go. Okay, so nice little package of that. Then you also get some different trims and laces. So let's take a look at those. Okay, so we have some real colorful daisy flowers, which is pretty. We have these little butterflies trim, make a great page edger. We have some like tulle. There's some white tulle that we can use. We've got this really pretty ruffly lace. It's really pretty. Some black trim. We have, this is kind of stretchy, but kind of a stretchy, pretty scalloped edge at the bottom, lace. And then we have this piece here. And we have this large, oh, there's 2 pieces here. Okay, so we have a really pretty large piece there. And we also have this beautiful piece. So beautiful. So that is all of your extra goodies in there. And then let me grab the papers out. So in the kit, you get 4 complete digital kits to use in your book. So you can pick and choose what you want to use. Let me set that over here, and we'll scoot all this over so we can see our digital kits. You also get one of these nice pouches to keep everything in. Oh, and there's a stamping block for your stamps. Okay, so let me set our nice little zipper bag over there. You get a letter and kind of instructions and information all about the retreat, so make sure you read that. Also, on the exclusive Facebook group, there are some extra freebies that you can go on there and download and print, so make sure you do that. Okay, so we're just going to flip through these kits. This is the Tea, Trellis, and Tranquility kit, 20 pages, made by Miss E. And some of these will have reverse side printed and some will not. Okay, so there you can see the background on that one, the back. I'll try to show you each of those as we go along here. So you have lots of decorative space and lots of writing space. This just has some beautiful lavenders and you know, pink, white. I see some daisy yellow in there, some green. So beautiful kit. I'm really drawn to the purple lilacs. Those are really pretty. There's a pretty little cat on there with that. Little duck in the pond. I love the blue on the back. So it's nice to already have the back copied for you. But if you you can always send it back through the printer if there's one that doesn't have something printed on the back, and just, put whatever you want on there, a neutral or a floral, whatever you think goes best with your kit. Okay, so there was kit 1. I'm just going to slide that under here. And now we're going to look at petals, pathways, and patchwork. And you'll notice that most of these have the same pretty colors in them, so that way they all coordinate and you can use them however you want in the kit. You don't have to use them all, of course, but choose and pick the ones that you like. So since this is being posted on the Wednesday of the retreat, you may not get to see this before the retreat starts. But if you want to, again, you're just kind of exploring, you're not really part of the retreat this time, and you kind of would like to see what's in a retreat box, this will give you a good example. Oh, I love that purple. Lots of beautiful pastels in this kit. Hydrangeas. I hope everybody is inside and staying cool if your area is as hot as ours. It has been super, super hot here. I guess I could flip this way so you wouldn't be seeing them upside down. That's okay. Love the little butterflies. All right, so there is kit number 2, which was the Petals, Pathway, and Patchwork kit. Okay. These kits were made for the retreat. So I'm not sure if they'll all be for sale after the retreat, but they may be in their Etsy shop or also in their online shop at Scrapbooking with Me. Here is the Garden Gates and Gathering Kit. And again, they all just have a beautiful pastel and garden theme. Perfect for the summer. You have, spaces decorated that you can add things to if you want to, but they're beautiful on their own. And then you have places that you can journal and add pockets and tucks and belly bands and everything that you want. So for all those who did purchase a kit, I hope you guys are getting all prepared and ready to go. And hope to see you there in the private group today. And those videos, if you join the group, pay for the retreat, you'll have access to those even after the retreat. Pretty. Oh, and here's some ephemera. Let me turn this around so those aren't upside down. So we've got some beautiful envelopes, pockets, smaller pockets. Hopefully these little tags looks like fit right inside those, so tag pockets. And you have some tall tags. Some beautiful luggage and suitcases. Some florals. Lots of pockets, lots of different little elements. So you won't lack for ephemera to go with your kit. There's plenty here. Here's some long ones. Here's some journaling pages, or you could use them as the center of a page. Wow, there's a lot here. I love the tags. Okay. And there we go. I think that was the other two kits there. I kind of combined them into one there. All right. Oops, excuse me. So that is our kit. And I hope you guys will, take time to check out Scrapbooking with Me online and check out the different digitals available. They've got probably hundreds of digitals. They also have lots of supplies like glue and adhesives and distressed inks. Anything you can think of that you need for your crafting needs. So I'll have that link down below, so make sure you check that out, okay? Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day and the rest of your week. And we will see you next time. Bye.